It happens way too often. Good people are approached in a parking lot with an offer that's too good to be true. They say they can fix your dent for a low cash price while you shop. But unfortunately, the results are often not good. This is not professional dent repair. You could end up with gouged metal, broken paint, punched holes, spray paint, rust, and a wax cover-up. Be sure not to let this happen to you by checking for the right qualities of a professional dent repair technician. Does he have a business license? Is he properly insured? Does he have reasonable prices? Can they offer proof of the quality of their work? Can you see before and after photos? Does he have good reviews on the internet? If you don't check for these things, your car could end up like one of these.